Costco. I guess she really wants to walk with her backpack, not be in the cart. If you're a Costco fan or you shop at Costco quite a bit, you know they got a lot of Asian products now. I remember 10 plus years ago, maybe almost 20 years ago when I first started shopping at Costco, they didn't really have that many Asian options. Now it seems to have everything. I mean, every single country too. Japanese, Korean, Chinese, even Filipino, which is probably the most exciting thing for us to find, but we're gonna first start with kimchi. This is one of our favorite kimchis because for the price, you get this huge container for $8.79. We don't miss buying this stuff at the Japanese grocery store. Now, if I go to a Korean grocery store like H Mart, I'm definitely buying their kimchi, but this one, for the price, just can't beat it. And we run out of it pretty quick. Our first samples, rouse eggplant parmesan. Sounds delicious. This is super hot, okay? Daddy has to hold it for you. What do you say? You're gonna blow it? Okay, go ahead, blow it. She says blow it a lot. Say bye-bye. Bye. Pretty fancy eggplant parmesan. Blow on it. Hot, hot. You're just too cute, you know that? I don't know if it's bad or not, but as they're growing up, when they're little, one way we got all the girls to eat vegetables is we just call it something else. So this is eggplant parmesan. I would just call this healthy pasta. Yeah, it's healthy pasta because it kind of is like pasta, except there's no pasta. But there's cheese in it, there's pasta sauce. All right, so they've got these chicken rice bowls. It does look good and I'm sure it's delicious. We don't buy anything that already has pre-cooked rice into it, especially if it's a frozen food. I think this is frozen. Oh, this is refrigerated because we just make so much rice at home. Basically, our rice cooker is on every single day, all day long. Me and Judy made 5 cups of rice yesterday and it's already gone within 24 hours. So we just have that thing cooking all the time. And it is nice just to have fresh, hot rice ready to eat whenever. We'll buy the actual dish itself. So instead of buying this chicken rice bowl, we'll buy teriyaki chicken, maybe like stir fry, and just have the rice at home. Plus we buy really good rice. You're just loving this. All right, serious question. In China, do they have Chinese style salads? I actually like these salads. Like so many Asian foods in America, they don't actually have those foods in Asia. Teriyaki stir fry. Looks like some udon noodles. All right, they got bao here. We would call this shou pao. Our favorite shou paos are in Vancouver, BC. The best ones. Newtown Bakery, but I'm gonna try this. What I do like about these, it's the perfect size for the little one. So, Bella, do you want to try this? I think you would like it. Yeah, we'll try it. This pork lumpia, legit. We bought this before. Definitely get it. Squishmallows, of course. Okay, don't touch it. Good thing I wiped your hand before you touched that.
Chicken sausage.
All right, let's see if this girl likes it. Hey, you can have one. I'm gonna have one too. Go ahead, grab it. There we go, we're gonna share this time. I didn't want to tell him, but it was cold still. Kind of spicy, huh? This girl can handle some spice. So I'm a sucker for pad thai, but I would never buy this chicken pad thai. I don't know, it just doesn't seem right. I bet it's good still. Any kind of noodle dishes, typically, I want it fresh. Noodles are one of my favorite things to cook, especially like a late night craving type of meal. When you mix noodles with all those ingredients, including sauces, noodles don't really hold up to being frozen or pre-prepared. Plus noodles is so easy to cook. What do you want? That's cheese, baby. You already had it. Which one do you want? Do you want Princess or do you want Spider-Man? Spider-Man! That's my girl. Oh, wait, what? You change your mind? Princess? Okay, well, that's still a good buy. I mean, it's Princess Jasmine. Okay, are you snapping? Okay, final choice, Spider-Man. All right, or as we like to... Are you? Okay, okay, you don't get to switch, okay? You don't get to switch. No. We're getting Spider-Man now, okay? I think that was your first choice. No. Yes? Okay, are you messing with me? You want Princess one? Okay, Princess Jasmine.
Actually, no, I would buy one.
Okay, you're not messing with me no more. No, we're gonna get Princess. Okay, normally I don't give her this kind of power, but I did ask her. I'm not gonna grab anything else. Only Spider-Girl, because technically there is a... They should totally put the Spider-Girl on here. Why not? Just put the Spidey girl right there, because there is a third one. Spider girl.
Yeah.
That's my girl right there. Thank you for making up your mind. I want to report that this coconut water is not only a pretty good buy, the girls love it. Every time we go out to the playground, they always ask for coconut water. So I bring one of these to the playground with us. Keeps the girls hydrated, especially when it's cold. Really, really good. I don't even buy that expensive brand no more, just because this is a way better deal, at least for volume-wise. And the girls actually like this brand better than that fancy stuff that's really expensive. Mommy wants chips.
Yeah.
Kettle chips. Ooh, organic lemonade. Strawberry, original, and cherry. That's new. Back to the chips. You're hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, you ate adobo. You ate samples. I got a little snack for you later. Just be patient, okay? Okay, right here. Oh, it is Kirkland Signature. Oh, wait up. Is this a Kirkland Signature kettle chip? Huh. This is legit. I'm assuming Judy wants this for the girls' lunch. You want some later? Yeah, we're gonna get this. So this is like Ruffles, which is right next to the Ruffle brand. Price difference, $7.89, $5.99. Pretty good deal. Oh, what? Why is this here? I think somebody changed your mind. No, that's an accident. That's not supposed to be there. No, she definitely wants to try these.
Good.
She loves her cheese.
Well, good.
Parmesan garlic.
Well, cheese also.
Thank you. Hold it, please.
Hi.
It's not spicy. It's Parmesan garlic. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's new. Tahine kettle corn. That sounds really good. I'm not gonna commit to a whole bag though. I wish I could try sample with that. Probably our #1 favorite ramen or noodle is this stuff right here. Tonkotsu, which sounds like tonkatsu, but no. It's an O, not an A. Anyways, this is pork-based broth ramen, and of course the momo-san that we get at the Wajimaya is better than this, but for the girls, convenience-wise, we like this one. And they sell it here at Costco. This whole pack, 6 of them, $11.79. Never ever. Okay, so a lot of you have told me that the Bachan's teriyaki sauce is really good, but I mean, it's pretty expensive. One whole bottle for 10 bucks. Teriyaki sauce is so easy to make. The ingredients: soy sauce, sugar, some kind of umami, so some kind of maybe fish broth or chicken broth. So say you have a, what do you call it? Like a rotisserie chicken, or maybe you roast the whole chicken, or you have chicken bones. Just boil that with some chicken stock or just water. Boil it down, mix it with that soy sauce and sugar, and there you go. You've got teriyaki sauce. It's very easy. And for 10 bucks worth of ingredients, you're gonna get way more teriyaki sauce. Though I do want to try it. Maybe if there was one at a restaurant or something. Can I grab some soup? Thank you. All right, babe. I'm gonna have to help you with this one, okay? It's a little hot. Yeah. Thank you very much. You can smell it, but don't touch, okay? Because it's really, really hot. Pieces of chicken in here. That's legit. This is Campbell's brand. We're not even gonna need dinner anymore. I tried the carrot first. See, that's good for you right there. You like the chicken, huh? I feel like I can make this. As I'm sitting here feeding her, I saw this honey. I was thinking, we never buy honey here because we like to support our local bee guys. Though they do have some legit ones. They got this Washington raw unfiltered honey, which seems pretty legit. It even has some of that, whatever you call that, at the top. Let me know if that's called something. Look at this. Glory Bee raw honey, 3-pack. They got blueberry blossom, orange blossom, blackberry blossom. So if you're wondering why they have all flower names, it's because the bees harvest the pollen from those flowers and then bring it back to the hive. And this honey has a flavor profile or is from the pollen of these plants. So hence why there's different flowers on different honeys. This one I might buy. It's kind of expensive though. $17.99, all plastic. 14 bucks for this giant bottle. But you know what? I am gonna try to get this one. I'm gonna give it a try because we go through a lot of honey these days. I've been substituting sugar with honey and maple syrup. So let's see if this is good. This will be a first for me. Is it cold? Sure is cold. We already got plenty of milk, so we're gonna skip that. I'm gonna get some heavy whipping cream because we've been making our own ice cream. So we go through this thing pretty quickly. And we don't even buy whipped cream anymore, or pre-made, or that stuff in the bottle. Kira's been making whipped cream from this too, which is pretty cool. No pun intended. Of course, we're gonna get some butter. Man, I miss when they had a sale on this stuff. Okay, I'm just save some money this time. Kirkland brand. All right, so we went kind of backwards today. And now we're gonna head into the produce in the bakery. First thing I'm gonna pick up here, a request from the older ones, croissants. Definitely one of the better deals here at Costco. This whole thing for $6. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. Not that we ever not eat our croissants, but sometimes, say we're gonna leave on a trip and we've got maybe 2 or 3 left, Judy will freeze the croissants, and they're not bad once you toast them up out of the freezer. So just a little tip, if you want to get the deal, you don't think you'll eat all the croissants in time, you can freeze them. It is an option, and I don't even know the difference, honestly. Cold again! By the way, she's eating a Z-bar. Brought this for her. Hold her over till then. I've mentioned this many times. Girls are really into broccoli, which is amazing. So I'm gonna buy a bag of these. Super convenient that they're already chopped up and ready to go. Judy said I need to get a lot of watermelons. She wants 3 packs of these, so we're gonna get whatever looks good. These 2 look good. I mean, this is kind of a lot, honey. I don't know if we need more than this. It seems kind of excessive buying more than this. She really loves her watermelon. I guess if she insists, I'll get a 3rd one. That's 6 watermelon. Ran out of onions, so I gotta pick up a bag of these. These are their yellow organic ones. You know, I do try to buy organic onions whenever possible. Another fruit or vegetable that I always buy organic is grapes and berries. Any kind of berries, anything that's gonna be in the ground. So potatoes, carrots, and then citrus fruits if I'm going to be using the skin. For example, like lemon, if we're gonna zest the, outside for something. You looking at yourself? Hey, did you know you're beautiful?
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Say, I'm beautiful.
No.
Only with Leah and Bella. With all the other ones, they said, yes, I'm beautiful. But not these ones, they're jokesters. Hey, are you a jokester? Okay, it's a little premature to have pumpkins, don't you think? In September? No, we don't need pumpkins right now. It's too early for pumpkins. But you know what Daddy really needs? Daddy needs his champagne. One of my favorite buys here. Can also buy a bottle for my mom too. Kirkland brand champagne from France. I mean, all champagne has to be from France. You want to wear your backpack? We're almost done, so this will be perfect. Run out some energy. Probably fall asleep in the car. Okay. One of my favorite liquors is bourbon. The first reason is because it's just good, it's delicious. Second reason, you can get a really good deal. This is a 1.75 bottle of bourbon, Maker's Mark, solid bourbon, $54. That's a really good deal. And that's with all the taxes and everything. By the way, fun fact, Washington is one of the states with the highest taxes for liquor. I don't know why. We're really price sensitive here, and of course because of that I like to get most of my liquor from Costco. In addition to getting a good deal at Costco, bourbon is very affordable because I like to make a lot of bourbon cocktails. It's much more affordable. Now when it comes to whiskey, the more you pay, typically the better the quality, except for Japanese whiskeys. With Japanese whiskeys, even the more affordable ones, like this one, this is Toki Suntory whiskey, which is only $34 with taxes. That's a really good deal. Solid whiskey. I like Japanese whiskeys better than American whiskeys, though I like bourbon better than Japanese whiskeys. And then even Hibiki, you can get this here. Now that's really expensive, $90. This is the high end of Suntory whiskey. So if I were to pick either one of these, for sure, for a sipper, the Hibiki, but in terms of for the value, Toki is just fine. And this is the leftovers of some other Japanese whiskeys. They got Nika, which is also good, but really expensive. This is $87. And then single malt Nika whiskey. This one's $105. Thank you. You ready to leave now?
No.
We need to get mommy her ice cream though. Bella, are you done? Louie. The lady said if you press that button right there. Yeah. Press that harder. You want to do it again? You're not scared?
Yeah.
Kind of scary, girl. Whoa! Say bye-bye. Are you a monster? Well, nativity. That's a first. All right, gonna get some roasted turkey because the girls are making their own sandwiches. Hey, close that, please. Thank you. We use this not only for sandwiches for school, but also for breakfast sandwiches in the morning. And then I use it sometimes for omelets. And of course, we got Judy's ice cream. Almost all of our ice cream is Kira's ice cream, but the one thing that you can't really mimic is the texture. This Kirkland brand ice cream is just softer and it's got a different kind of texture, which I'm guessing is from some of the other ingredients. Let's see what the ingredients are. Fresh cream, skim milk, pasteurized egg yolks. Oh, we definitely need to add egg yolks next time. Vanilla extract, and then that thing. Karo bean gum and guar gum. Guessing that's what makes it softer. With Kira's, it's just straight milk, cream, vanilla extract, sugar, and a pinch of salt. That is the key too. But I'm gonna add egg yolks because that's gonna make it a little bit more creamy, a little more decadent. She doesn't add that guar gum or whatever that is, but it makes a difference for Judy at least. This looks like it's gonna be a lot of money.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Take care. Come on, Bella. Let's go. Yeah, you got a balloon? Let's go. My trip to Costco with Bella Boo. That costs more than 300 bucks. Mainly because I bought booze, champagne, bourbon. I'm gonna gift it to my parents because they let me drink their booze all the time. Costco. By the way, parent hack. Give your kid a little backpack like this one, and you can fill it with snacks, diapers, wipes, little bottle of water. She's even carrying stuff for daddy too.